In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand Google Ads metrics. First, open your browser and go to Google Ads at ads.google.com, then sign into your account. From the overview, head to your campaigns area so we can look at performance where decisions actually happen. When people talk about understanding metrics, think of it as reading a simple story. Your ad is shown, someone clicks, then ideally they convert. The numbers you see describe where that story is strong and where it's leaking. To make those numbers clear, customize your dashboard. In campaigns, click columns, then modify columns. Select the KPIs that matter to your goal, traffic, leads, or sales, so you're not distracted by noise. Keep this view consistent across campaigns so comparisons are apples to apples. Pay attention to how metrics influence one another. Your costs, which come from bids and budgets, directly drive how many clicks you can afford to get. Click-through rate, or CTR, reflects how compelling your ad is to the audience seeing it. Strong CTR can improve your visibility and help your ads win more impressions and better positions over time. Next, look at conversion rate. This shows the percentage of clicks that complete your desired action, and it reveals two things: how relevant your ad was to the searcher's intent, and how effective your landing page is at turning interest into action. Consistent messaging between keyword, ad copy, and landing page usually lifts this number. Here are the key metrics to monitor and how to interpret them. CTR shows ad appeal. If it's low, tighten keywords, write clearer headlines, and use extensions. Conversion rate shows post-click effectiveness. If it's weak, simplify the page, match the offer to the query, and reduce friction. Quality score summarizes expected CTR, ad relevance, and landing page experience. Improving it can lower your costs. For efficiency and value, track CPA, or cost per acquisition, and ROAS, return on ad spend. CPA tells you what you're paying per lead or sale. ROAS shows how much revenue you get back for every dollar spent. Aim for targets that align with your margins. Finally, check impression share to understand reach. If it's low, you're missing opportunities, often due to budget limits or low ad rank. That's the workflow. Get into Google Ads, customize columns, study relationships, and monitor CTR, conversion rate, quality score, CPA, ROAS, and impression share.